Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook chicken leg quarters. So these are the most delicious chicken leg quarters I've ever make. So just watch for the recipe. So I'm cutting my chicken quarters like that, just making cuts like that, and then I'm going to season them. So I see like that. So for seasoning, I'm adding garlic powder, black pepper. So I'm going to evenly spread the spices. Fennel powder, that's fennel powder. Some mixed herbs, and I'm going to add some onion powder. Lots of lemon juice. So squeezed lemon juice, just add that in there. Olive oil. Some olive oil in there. So I'm going to marinate these guys. Marinate for an hour or so, but I'm going to rub it in. Alright, adding paprika. Alright, I'm marinating this for an hour, guys. Alright, in an oven dish, I'm going to add my chicken. So just like that. And I'm going to add the juices from my marinade. Alright, in an oven 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then after that I'll come back and show you how the chicken looks.